Before you begin, remove the service cover. Wireless LAN module. Wireless WAN module. Hard disk drive assembly. Optical drive. Keyboard. Top cover. Battery. Display panel assembly. Display bezel. And hinge covers. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables under and around the display panel hinges for later replacement. Remove the 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Important. The 15-inch model of the notebook uses two 3.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws in this area. Remove the 3 mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the right display panel hinge from the alignment pins and retention clips on the display enclosure. Remove the right display panel hinge. The left display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.